Hello students, welcome back to World of Home Science. Myself Vijay U. Patil, Assistant Professor of Home Science, Government First Grade College, Ankola, Pujgiri. In this video, Home Science Extension Education Part 3, we will go through the role of Community Development Facilitator. Community Development Facilitator represent government, social service agencies, religious organizations and other institutions. They ensure that their organization enhances the lives of the people around in their constituencies through formal programs such as capital funding, job service, placement, public-private joint ventures and other projects. Community Development Facilitator primarily help people within a local community to identify their social needs. Then they go ahead to find the most effective ways of meeting these needs. The community facilitator then sets about meeting these needs using the available resources in that community. The community development facilitator increases cooperation and communication between an organization and members of the surrounding community. Community development facilitator creates a positive impact on a large network of people. The community development facilitator has an opportunity to strengthen the relationship between an organization and the surrounding community for the mutual benefit of all those involved. This role allows the facilitator to work for the social justice and large-scale change. The responsibilities of a community development facilitator depends upon the mission of the organization. For the success of any community development program, the community development facilitator must believe in the mission of the organization. He or she must have the important following qualities. The first one is excellent communication skills to negotiate and build healthy alliances with a wide variety of people of that community. Be sensitive to the various cultures represented in that community. The third one is understand the specific issues that the community faces and facilitate in arriving at a creative solutions. The last one is be organized, honest, hardworking and flexible. The role of the community development facilitator can be divided into 4 groups. He must act as guide, as an enabler, as an expert and as a therapist. In this video, we discuss the role of community development facilitator as a guide. The other roles will be discussed in next video. The role of community development facilitator as a guide. In a capacity of a guide for the client system, the change agent or the community development facilitator is required to perform 5 tasks. That is, the first one is help the community to establish and find the means of achieving goals. That is, the community development facilitator is required to help the community in setting goals and formulating objectives to reach them. The next one is he must take initiative in working with the people. Community development facilitator is required to take the initiative in creating awareness among the people about their unfelt needs, suggest alternative solutions to realize them, which may give higher yields or higher profits, resulting in a better standard of living. For example, the community facilitator can help the community to identify their health issues and initiates a health camp to address them. The third one is be objective about conditions in the community. The community development facilitator should develop the ability to review the situation in the community and relate the program objectives to the local situation. Ground situation should be objectively assessed and fit around the program objectives. For example, if a facilitator is working in a village and decides to recommend the growing of cotton, a commercial crop, to increase the income of the farmer, the facilitator should be objective and consider the soil type in the field. The fourth role is associate with the community as a whole, because any community development program applies to community as a whole. He should associate or identify with the whole community and not with any group in it. Resist being captured by any one group, higher or lower class, left or right wing, or some private enterprise. He must identify with the democratic methods of discussion with problems and projects. The main work should be helping people to help themselves discover and use the process by which cooperative decisions are made. He must act as a resource person, presents facts and results of demonstrations at other places. He must not insist on re-established procedures by which the community can make a collective decision. He must bring diverse groups together, clarifies issues and enlarge the area of common concern. He must act as an advocate of certain community processes, methods of community work and types of community association. In this way, a community development facilitator associates with the community. The next role is learn to interpret his role. The community development facilitator has to explain his role as a professional change agent, why one cannot be the leader or decision maker or recommend the right way of doing a piece of work. Extension facilitator should indicate the importance of the community assuming the responsibility for making the decisions and taking action. As an extension facilitator, their role is to assist the community, and in this way one can develop a frame of reference in which the extension personnel and the community can work comfortably. That's for now. This is me, Vijaya, signing off. If you find the content of this video useful, do like, share and subscribe. Comment for your suggestions. For future home science videos, stay tuned. Bye-bye.